What I wish I knew at the beginning of my YouTube journey. Setting up a channel is easier than you think. First, sign into YouTube using your Google account. Don't have one? No worries. You can create one in just a few clicks. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right and select Create a Channel. You'll be prompted to choose your channel name and upload a profile picture. Pick something that represents you or your brand. Now, it's time to customize. Head to the Customization tab. Here you can add a channel description, links and a banner image. Make it catchy and informative to attract viewers. Lastly, don't forget to verify your account. This unlocks features like custom thumbnails and longer videos. Just follow the prompts YouTube provides, and there you have it. Your fresh new YouTube channel is ready for action. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to grow your audience. Happy creating!